Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Horizon. Today, we deriving into the Lamborghini Revuelto is a masterpiece of design and performance, pushing the boundaries of hybrid technology while staying true to Lamborghini's DNA. This 2025 model represents the perfect fusion of electrification and raw power, featuring a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors. The result, a staggering 1001 horsepower, delivering an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on the Revuelto, it commands attention. Its sharp aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED headlights, and aggressive stance make it instantly recognizable as a Lamborghini. The large rear wing and active aerodynamics ensure maximum downforce and stability, whether you're carving through corners or hitting top speed on the track. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for both luxury and performance. The digital instrument cluster and center touchscreen provide a futuristic experience while maintaining Lamborghini's signature fighter jet-inspired design. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the interior, giving it a lightweight yet premium feel. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing the driver to switch driving modes effortlessly. But the real magic happens when you fire up the engine. The V12's roar, combined with the silent yet powerful electric motors, creates a unique blend of sound and performance. The Revuelto can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Lamborghinis ever built. The all-wheel drive system, powered by the front electric motors and the rear-mounted engine, ensures insane grip and responsiveness. Lamborghini has also improved daily drivability, with an advanced suspension system and rear-wheel steering, making city driving more manageable while enhancing high-speed stability. Plus, with a plug-in hybrid system, the Revuelto offers a short all-electric range, making it slightly more eco-friendly without compromising performance. In the end, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is not just a supercar, it's a statement. It blends the legacy of Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12 with cutting-edge hybrid technology, setting a new benchmark for the future of high-performance automobiles. Whether you're a collector, a speed enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates automotive excellence, the Revuelto is a car that demands respect.